Marple is a data platform for engineering teams. It allows them to really easily visualize time series data. Today, we're introducing our InfluxDB integration, which allows them to use their existing database and use their existing data to visualize in Marple. Let's take a look at how that works. So after setting up the connection, you will see the database appear at the left-hand side. You can click it open to see what buckets it contains. Marple builds a layer on top of InfluxDB, which is called selections. Selections are a small part of data using a specific time range or a specific set of tags. You can use these selections to visualize more easily. For the moment, we already have like 8 selections, part of which are made by me, but part of them are also made by my colleagues. People can add metadata to them to more easily filter between them. For example, the control selections, there's 2 of them. Let's make a new selection. We want to take a look at some racing data from the racing buckets. And let's trim it down to the last day. We can see that Marple makes a preview of where the data in this time range is. And apparently, there's only data near the end of the day. So let's use the crop button to crop the selection to the narrower time range. And let's crop it even more. We can also select some tags to even more narrow down the selection. For example, let's only select the driver Jan. This seems good. Let's give it a name, Jan Racing, and let's save the selection. The new selection pops up here. We can now visualize it by clicking it and pressing Visualize. This gives me already the visuals because I pre-selected the project. This works the same way as before in Marple. If you have a project with multiple tabs, it already preloads the signals for you. You can now easily zoom and pan in the data, just as you would using a file. But the really cool thing is that the data is still in your InfluxDB. You can also do all the other things you would do in Marple and even share the data with a colleague. I just showed you the basics of how to use an InfluxDB with Marple, but you should try it out yourself. Just make a free account on a website and get started.